Imperialism. Imperialism and empire both come from the same Latin word root, meaning supreme power. And look how the men in this political cartoon, who are meant to represent different countries, are exercising their power by reaching out across the globe. Imperialism is building an empire by founding colonies or conquering other nations. And look at these political cartoons to help you visualize or understand that. Founding colonies, conquering other nations. Think about how the British colonized North America as the French and Spanish did. And the British also had a conquest or took over independent Ireland during the Renaissance. And even today, in the 21st century, the British control a small part of Ireland. Imperialism is also dominating another country politically, economically, or socially through culture. For example, an imperialist country might run the other country's government, like the British did in Ireland and the 13 colonies in North America. They might use the country for raw materials, which the British did in North America, looking for gold and beaver pelts and lumber and tobacco. Or try to change their culture, like Americans did to the Native Americans and the British did to the Irish.